guys, let's talk about hormonal imbalance. What exactly is hormonal imbalance? I'm going to leave it on the screen for you to see, especially if you're new when it comes to health. Now, in most cases, hormonal imbalance could be the reason why your pimples don't want to clear off, why your dark spots don't want to clear off. A lot of us women think it has to do with going to the next skincare vendor to buy something or jumping into another skincare supply store to get another thing. Now listen up. You need to pay attention to what your body is telling you through your skin. When your hormones are not in order, they are going to, in fact, you're going to have diverse skincare, diverse side effects or diverse effects on your skin. It could be your dark spots or hyperpigmentation and finding it difficult to clear off, especially when you're using ingredients that are targeting it. It could also be that when you're using skincare products, they don't want to work. It could also be that your pimples, no matter the right pimple or acne treatment you're using, they just don't want to clear off. You need to pay attention to what your hormones are telling you. Alright, so when your hormones are not in check, you could have stuff like PMS, that is premenstrual syndrome. You could also have polycystic ovarian syndrome, that is PCOS. You could also have hyperpigmentation, acne symptoms, and a whole lot more that comes with hormonal imbalance, right? Let me tell you something. Symptoms of PMS include you having joint pains, back pains, tender or sore breasts, in general, just pain in your body, in your abdomen. And when it comes to your skincare, your skin not responding to skincare products, instead of getting fairer, you're getting darker in most cases. That is hyperpigmentation, doesn't want to clear off no matter the treatment you're using. These are the symptoms. There are certain hormones that your body excretes, such as cortisol, progesterone, estrogen, and testosterone. These hormones, when they are excessive, is a problem. At the same time, when your body produces it very slowly or in very small amounts, you could also develop another problem. So it's always better to balance the hormones or to have your hormones in balance, not too low or too high. You see, low production of these hormones, like I mentioned earlier, could also give you painful periods, back pain, joint pain, your skincare products not working, and all of that. They are dangerous to your health if it's excessive. Are hormones important for your health? Yes, hormones are really important when it comes to getting a glowing skin, when it comes to your reproductive ages, when you're trying to have a baby, and in overall your beauty health. Hormones are really, really important. Now, how do you balance your hormones? How do you fix your hormones and make sure that you don't have excessive pimples or breakouts, and that when you're using treatments for your skincare concerns, they are working? Number one, you need to increase your fiber intake. Have food or fruits that are high in fiber, as almond nuts, cashew nuts, there's so on. Oatmeal, very nice. Supplements that I recommend for hormonal imbalance that could help balance your hormones, I have tried them out, is the evening primrose oil capsules. They are amazing. They are very, very good. Evening primrose oil capsules work on your skin, at the same time balances your hormones. It brightens your skin. It reduces pimples and acne, because when your cortisol hormone or cortisol levels, the stress hormones, are high up, you can start breaking out. I have been there, done that, experienced it, which is why I'm making this video, because it is a major skincare concern in the skincare beauty community. And many of us, we don't take time to observe or listen to our health or our body in general. We don't pay attention to our health. We don't pay attention to our body. We just think it's, what's the next skincare trend? What's the next skincare product? Let me jump on it. I'm not saying it's bad. As your skincare enthusiast, I love trying out new skincare products, and I love trying out products. When your cortisol hormones are up or your cortisol levels have increased, you could start breaking out. And then what does it do? Your body starts producing excessive oil, and in return, bacteria and all that. Then you start breaking out and having pimples everywhere. I'm literally trying to explain this in the simplest form as possible, I still urge you to do more research on hormonal imbalance when it comes to skincare. Alright? In that way, whatever I didn't mention on this video, you can do further research and get to be informed or educated. Okay? Good. New Primrose oil capsules balance your hormones. At the same time, they reduce and they stop you from breaking out. That is what it. Don't be in a hurry to change your skincare routine, especially if you have hormonal imbalance. Like I said, in most cases, it is not your product. It may be that your hormones are not balanced or you're suffering from hormonal imbalance. Another supplement or vitamin I'll recommend or suggest you try out is vitamin A and zinc capsules. These are fantastic and also very good, especially if you're battling with acne or pimples. Alright? Now, I've come to the end of today's video. I tried to simplify it as much as I can. If you have further questions, please leave it down the comment section. I will definitely respond. And then if you have any video requests, please comment down below. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I love you. God bless you. And always remember, God loves you. See you next time. Bye.